Hello, residents of Integra Cove. We are so excited. We want to share this zesty chicken taco recipe with you guys. All of the ingredients that you need are right here, and it's really simple to put it together. We're going to show you how to do it. These are the ingredients that you're going to need for the zesty chicken tacos. You'll need chicken breast marinated overnight in garlic and lime juice, red onion, bell pepper, tomato sauce, capers, a packet of Goya seasoning, hot sauce, canola oil, garlic salt, cumin, black pepper, rice wine vinegar, and a little cilantro. Hey guys, so cooking this in the Instant Pot is just the easiest thing ever. You just pretty much throw everything in and it does it all by itself. So one of the tricks is to make sure that you're marinating your meat from the night before. So since we're using chicken today, I've had this sitting in garlic and lime juice overnight. So I am just throwing it all in there. I have a few capers just for flavor. A good amount of cumin. I love using these little Sazón Goya packets. They are delish. Throw in a little bit of rice vinegar. Just a touch of hot sauce. You can use any kind you like. This is the kind that I like. Garlic salt. Fresh cracked pepper. And then just some tomato sauce. So this is definitely one of my favorite kitchen gadgets by far. So the Instant Pot will pressure cook that entire batch of chicken in 13 minutes. So you literally just put on pressure cook. I put it on low pressure. And then after a few seconds, it just starts by itself. You make sure that the vent is closed so it can pressure cook, and it's going to be perfect in 12 minutes. So after 13 minutes in the pressure cooker setting, this chicken is perfectly done and super easy to shred right in the same pot. You just take your tongs and you do like this. Really easy. Thank you so much for cooking with us today, guys. We had so much fun. If you have any questions about the recipe or just in general, give us a call at the office. We're here.